So we are discussing in lecture 3 structure of nephron. So I hope you have learned about how the ultrafiltration occur and how urine formation occur. Before collecting duct, the filtrate will called as glomerular filtrate, but when the filtrate enters in collecting duct after you can say uh, reabsorption after or reabsorption occur in PCT and finally in conditional reabsorption if required, that is in DCT, and finally when the filtrate come in collecting duct, that is called urine. Generally if we talk about how much urine is formed, so that is 180 liters, that is urine formed, but maximum water is reabsorbed and only 1 to 1.5 liters will be comes out of our body as urine. Okay, so that much ability of our excretory system is having. If some day we have intake less water, so our urine will be less in amount and it will be hypertonic, and if we have intake more water in any day, in that case urine will be hypotonic and it will be more in amount. Okay, so these nephrons you can say performs a very important role in kidney. Okay, chaliye, coming to artificial kidney. What is artificial kidney and what is its requirement, why it is required? Students, as you all know, kidney are the main excretory organ of our body. If out of two kidney, one kidney is not working, so our one healthy kidney can perform its function. But if both kidneys are damaged due to some reasons or not working properly, in that case it's important to go for either kidney transplantation, or if kidney transplantation is not possible, although that is a permanent cure, so we can go for artificial kidney, that is hemodialysis. ठीक है, या तो ट्रांसप्लांट करवा लीजिए, दैट इज़ कंप्लीट क्योर ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, नहीं तो आर्टिफिशियल किडनी यानी कि हीमोडायलिसिस वी कैन go for survival of the patient. Okay, so as you all know, what is hemodialysis, students? In this hemodialyzer machine, what is done, that patient blood will be taken out and that will be transferred to a chamber that is having cellophane membrane and a fluid that is called dialyzing solution. So this cellophane membrane helps इनफिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ ब्लड लाइक नेफ्रॉन्स. ठीक है, जैसे नेफ्रॉन किडनी में काम करते हैं, ऐसे यहाँ जो सिलोफेन ट्यूब है दे विल बी सेमी परमिएबल और दैट हेल्प्स इन you can say filtration of the excretory metabolic waste from the blood, and that helps in formation of urine or that have extra urea and excess of salts. Okay, and after hemodialysis the blood will be again sent into patient body, and before you can say transporting the blood again into patient body after hemodialysis, heparin must be added, that is anticoagulating agent. Okay, that must be added in this chamber to prevent blood clotting, because in our body already heparin is present, that helps to you can say that helps to prevent our blood from coagulation. Okay, but before transportation of blood after hemodialysis into patient body, it's important to go for normal blood pressure. The blood pressure should be maintained 120 over 80 mmHg, and the temperature of blood should be नियर बाय आवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीज़ें देख करके फिर फाइनली ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट हीमोडायलिसिस. ओके, एंड this is very important process if kidneys are not working properly. Okay, so this topic may be asked in exam for 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so I hope in chapter life process we have discussed the chapter in 3 to 4 videos. So this is completely NCERT based explanation. So if you not have seen lecture 1, 2 and 3, so go and see that, so that you can get the complete overview of the chapter from NCRT. Okay, goodbye.